Meaning of deadening.
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 Deadening. The term deadening refers to the act of making something less lively, active, or effective. It can also refer to the process of reducing or eliminating sound or noise. The result of deadening is a decrease in energy and intensity, creating a dull and lifeless atmosphere. This can affect various aspects such as music, conversations, and even individual emotions. Deadening can also lead to a lack of productivity and motivation in work or personal life. Overall, the impact of deadening is a reduction in stimulation, resulting in a less engaging and vibrant experience.